Hello everyone, thanks for watching. In the previous video, we studied the members of the class. In this video, we will consider the class constructors. We will understand how useful they are when writing a program. So, are we ready? Definitely. Let's get started. A constructor is a special method that is used to initialize objects. The advantage of a constructor is that it is called when an object of a class is created. It can be used to set initial values for fields. And now, let's create a constructor. First, let's create a student class, of course. We have class student. For example, let's create a name field. We have public string name. And now let's create a class constructor for the student class. So we have public student name assigned to, for example, James. Let's create an object of the student class. To do this, let's move on to the main method, of course. We have student as assigned to new student. Console write line as name, of course. So running the program, we will get the name James in the console window. Note that the constructor name must match the class name and it cannot have a return type like void or int. Also note that the constructor is called when the object is created. All classes have constructors by default. If we do not create the constructor ourselves, C# creates it for us. And now let's consider the parameters of constructor. Constructor can also take parameters, which is used to initialize fields. There are two ways to do this. The first is the following. So we have first name as a parameter, string, first name, of course. It is only necessary to assign the value first name to the name announced above. So let's delete this part, of course. We have first name. Here, in parentheses, you only need to write the expression to be displayed. In this case, it is James. So we have double quotes, of course, James. Okay, running the program, we will get the same result in the console window. This was the first way. The second way is to use this keyword. The this keyword in C# is a special type of reference variable that is implicitly defined within each constructor and non-static method as a first parameter of the type class in which it is defined. The keyword this returns a reference to the current instance of the class contained in it. So let's change this part. We have name, of course. Here you only need to use the this keyword. So we have this, of course, dot name assigned to name. So running the program, we will get the same result in the console window. We can have as many parameters as we want. Let's add the surname and the age fields. So we have public string surname and public int, of course, age. So the constructor should receive these fields as parameters. So let's do this. Of course, an error will occur when creating the object, as we have not filled in surname and age fields. So let's fill in those fields. We have James, of course, for example, Anderson, and 25 years old. Console write line as name plus space plus as surname. So running the program, we will get the result in the console window. When we consider the example from the previous video, we will notice that constructors are very useful as they help reducing the amount of code. So today we got acquainted the constructors of C#. In the next video, we will consider the access modifiers. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and click the notifications button to not miss the further videos. I wish you a good day. Bye!